So here's the trademark search API documentation. You can see it's only one endpoint here, which is get trademarks. So what you need to do is you just call this API with one required parameter, which is word mark, and other like class number, offset, and limit are optional. You can filter by these options. Okay, let's try one. So it has been fetched, and you can see here in the response you can get the list of trademarks with these values like wordmark, application number, class, application date, and all. And also you will get the emails of that trademark in base 64. And in the last you will get the total count and limit and offset, so that you can develop pagination on the front end side. So that's it.